Guys, are you able to see my screen? Guys, can you please respond at least once? Are you able to see my screen? Yeah, guys, in last 2 days session, we learned how to create the app in Salesforce. And what is meant by app? App in the sense it's like one application. Whenever one user want to create his own platform for his product, for them we will be creating one app. So once again I will show it to you, guys. Hope you understand what is the difference between lightning and lightning and the classic. This is the classic page. Once again I will be explaining. Here you can find which kind of org it is. Okay, here you can find sales org, service org, marketing cloud, app launcher, etc, etc. And this is setup option. What whenever we want to do something, first thing will go on setup. This is user information. As I said, whenever you have registered in developer edition, you'll be getting one username and password. Once you logged in Salesforce, here you can find your profile information. This is Salesforce logo, and this one will call as global search. Global search in the sense, here you may get one more doubt. Here there is another search bar. Here also we have search bar. So this quick find bar will be applicable only for this particular arc. Whatever you prepared object, fields, triggers, any coding, everything in the particular arc, you can search here. But this is global search in the sense it will be search in entire this arc, entire all the arcs. It will be search here, and this bar, home, dashboards, reports, job spots, etc., etc. We have this one, right? With this icon, we'll call these icons as objects. And if you click on this plus symbol, let me show it. If you click on this plus symbol, whatever we created the objects, we'll be getting all the objects in the same page. Not only in this application, entire applications, whatever we prepared here. And I just want to share one more thing. any cloud any cloud platform, sales cloud or service cloud or marketing cloud, etc., etc., wherever you go, we'll be having four standard pillars. They are accounts, contacts, leads, opportunity. In any cloud platform, if you go with any kind of org, like sales, service, etc., etc., in that these four pillars will be there. So in our org also we can see accounts. See here we can see accounts, and again leads, contacts also we can see, contacts, opportunities. I'll show you opportunities. You can see, right? So we will call these four objects called as standard objects. Standard objects in the sense which whatever Salesforce is providing to us, we'll call them as standard object. In case if we want to prepare any object depends on the arc, for them we'll call as custom object. Give me a minute, guys. Guys,
Yes, sir.
I'm really sorry, guys. At least you should have informed me right in chat box. I was on mute.
Sir, actually, I thought you were sitting in.
Okay, okay. It's okay, guys. Can I explain you again?
Yes, sir.
I'm really sorry, guys. Guys, in case if you have any disturbance, you can please ping me in WhatsApp group or in chat box. Okay, 1 minute, guys. I'll show you once again. So here, will whatever we create the application here, we can see our application, and this is setup bar. Whatever we want to do anything in the arc, we'll click on setup, then only we'll start our work. And here, this is user information. Once you registered in sales developer edition, you'll be getting username and password. So once you logged in Salesforce application, I mean login.salesforce link, this will be created automatically and you can see your information here. And switch to lightning expense, this can be, I'll explain once again about this bar. We'll call this one as tab bar. So here, home, dashboard, reports, etc., etc., whatever we have, we'll call them as objects. In objects, we have two kinds of objects. One is standard object, and second is custom object. See, standard object in the sense whatever Salesforce is providing to us by default, for them we'll call as standard object. For example, like just now as I inform you people, accounts, contacts, leads, opportunities, reports, dashboards, etc., etc., for them we'll call as standard object. And remaining custom object in the sense based on customer requirement, I mean based on client requirement, whatever we are preparing the object, for them we'll call as custom object. Okay, so if you click on this plus symbol, see here you can see limited objects. Only limited objects we can see. If you click on plus symbol, whatever you are seeing here, all tabs whichever we are providing, Salesforce is providing by Salesforce, and whatever we have created we can see here all the objects. Okay, and this one will call as global bar, sorry, global search bar, and this one will call as quick find bar. Here, whatever, if you want to search anything within the arc, you can search here. I mean, whatever you created, the triggers, apex class, or objects, etc., etc., you can search here. But here it will be search entire application, whatever you are having the information, it will be search and it will give the result to you. Okay, now coming to lightning experience. In Salesforce, we have two user interfaces. Lightning in the sense nothing but it's one kind of user interface. Now we have two UIs like classic and lightning. There is no difference between lightning and classic, except look and feel is different. If you want to switch to lightning, just click on it. Yes, this is lightning environment. And same as these whatever you have seen in classic, Same thing will be available in Lightning as well. This nine dot symbol will call as app launcher. In classic left side, we have seen all org, right, like service, sales, etc., etc. Like that. Here you can see here. Just click on it. You can get all service cloud, marketing, community, sales charter, content, etc., etc. If you, in case if you want to create any new arc, I mean new app, that one also it shows here. Okay, and this one setup icon will call as a gear icon, and here notifications will come. Why we'll be getting notifications? We'll see in future classes. And this is your profile. I mean user profile. Okay, and one more, whatever you prepared in classic, that will be displayed in lightning as well. There is no difference between classic and lightning. A few options won't be work in lightning, all the options will work in classic. In the market currently, 85 projects are depends on classic, sorry, lightning. Only 15% people are using classic. Still classic also, a few people are using it, but we will do the practice in both the user interface. Okay, let me show you classic version first. Okay, last week we have seen how to prepare application, but today also we'll see once again. But before preparing the application, we'll see what is application in Salesforce.
But actually, your voice is breaking, sir.
Okay,
Hello?
1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Let me check my connection. Is that okay for you now? Guys, are you listening my
Yes, sir. Okay.
yeah, okay, okay. Give me a minute.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, guys. Now, are you clear? Are you getting my voice clearly, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So now in our classes, mid of the classes, I'll tell you. I used to tell a few things like IQ, CQ, JQ. IQ in the sense interview questions, CQ in the sense certification questions, and job questions in the sense it's just like your job knowledge quiz. Okay, so now we'll see what is application in Salesforce. This is a foundation setup in any Salesforce project. For example, any customer, one new customer, he want to prepare CRM for his product, and he went to Salesforce and he paid the money, and he got license from Salesforce, and he came back to you. He told you that he already got the license and he want to prepare CRM for his own product. So now we'll see how it works. This is like entry point of client to get started with project work. This is like a logical container which holds many things about the project. We'll see now. Like one mobile in the sense of one mobile, how we'll have many apps, same like that one Salesforce arc will be having many apps. Just now as we seen in this arc, see here, all these are applications. Now we can see how we can create new application for the customer. So click on setup, and once you click on setup, right side you'll be getting application information, and left side, see here, you'll be getting all this information: administer, build, deploy, and monitor jobs logs, mac. And this is the area where you need to work, this area. See here you can see recent items, quick links, community, etc., etc. You'll be getting it. And before getting into the setup option, we'll be having some small interview question which asked in IBM. What are the segments in setup which you have worked in previous project? In case if you're facing this kind of questioning in interview, you can tell, you need not explain all the things. You can tell what is the purpose we are using administer, build, deploy, and monitor. These are the four things we need to explain to the interviewer. Administer, you can find here left side, administer, build, deploy, monitor. Administer in the sense same like manage users, manage apps, everything managing by the Salesforce. Build in the sense we need whatever we are creating will do in build only. Deployment in the sense in first day we, as we discussed, we'll do it in sandbox, then we'll send it to production. I'll explain you about what is sandbox again. So now administer for user management and for security of Salesforce environment we can use. And build for creating apps, creating database table. Deployment for shifting the project from the environment to the client's environment to known as deployment process. As we said, we'll do everything in sandbox for coding part or any admin part, everything we'll do it in sandbox. Then we'll send it to production. That process called as deployment. And monitor, to keep watch on SF environment, what is going on, what is went wrong, etc., etc. We'll go with monitor. We can see available resources, we can see log files when error comes, etc., etc. And now to create app, this is the path. Once you log in, click on setup, go to build, create app new. So I'll share this notepad also to you people guys. I'll share the class notes also. You need not to worry about this. So click on setup and go to build and click on create, click on apps. Yes, once you click on app, you'll be getting this page. So here you can find all the apps which we have created. And for you, go and click on new. Custom apps limit exceeded. Let me delete few apps. And one more. Yes, now click on new. And here you can see two options. One is custom app and one more is console. Custom app, when we can create whenever we need to track the customer information for them, we'll go with custom app. Console, whenever we need to give service to the people, like we have a payment failed whenever we are making the payment through app. That time we'll raise the request, right? So we'll be getting solution by the mail or by calling the people, etc., etc. For this kind of apps, we'll click on console. So currently you need not to click on console. Go with custom app and click on next. And here we can give any app like we can create one marketing app, or else we can create one school app. Mm, Guru School application. Okay. And sorry, guys, can I have any company name? Because as of now, I have created many apps. That's the reason I am not getting any company name. Okay, create as.
Mindtech,
I'm sorry. Yeah, you said something.
Mindtech Technologies,
Okay, done.
Mindtech.
Okay, Mindtech Solutions. Okay, done. Here, description. This for your information. Created for new app. Click on next, and here we can insert image in case if any customer will have his own logo for his company, that logo we can insert here. And going forward, I'll teach you where we need to insert the logo in Salesforce. Currently we have only two logos in my document, so that's the reason I'm not inserting here. Dice logo, it is there in classic, sorry, lightning. You can see that from here only I have uploaded. So currently I'm not inserting any image. Click on next, and these are the tabs which we have available currently. So we are creating this app for our new customer. Think like that. Customer is not asking any tabs. He asked only home. So that you need not to add anything, and click on home, and default launching tab home. Click on next. Yes. Once you click on last stage, we'll be getting this one. These all are profiles. A profile in the sense nothing but it's like one department. So you can give present, you can give visible to all, and click on save. Guys, there is error coming. For whenever you're creating, you can click on visible for all. Now I'm not giving visible for all the departments. I'm giving only system administrator, solution manager, standard platform user, standard user, and okay, let me see what is the error exactly. The developer name specified already is to continue. Please go back and enter unique developer name. Okay. Developer name. Done. So a 9tech solution app has created. Now where can we check that 9tech solution app created or not? Just give refresh and click on this symbol. Here you can see sales, service, marketing, etc., etc. Now here you can see this one we have created. Click on this. Once you click on, we'll be getting only one home page, because when we created this particular application, we gave only one tab should be available. That's the reason only one tab is coming. So app has been created for the client, and now he want to create he want you to ask create one table to enter his team information or his employees information, etc., etc. So before jumping into that topic, I just want to show you one more thing. See, just see this table. This table belongs to one school attendance list, sorry, one mark list. So, in case if you consider this entire box as school, sorry, this page will consider as a school, and in the school will consider this one as class. Okay, in that class we have columns here, columns and rows. So how can we enter students names here? First thing we'll mention like this: serial number. So here just we'll prepare one table. Okay, so this is belongs to one class. Okay, in this you want to prepare attendance for particular class. So uh, SSC attendance, serial number, name, teacher, and attendance for the day. Or else today date we'll put it 21st March. That's it. And remaining we'll close it. So this attendance, SSC attendance, we mentioned, right? For this, for this line, we'll consider as object in Salesforce. So for this we'll consider as object, and serial number, name, teacher, a date, etc. we have, right? For them we'll consider as field names, field names. And whatever here you are putting 1 2 3 4 5, etc., etc., for them we'll consider as records in Salesforce. So now this entire org we created in Salesforce, now we are going to create object for the client. So now go back to setup, and here just want to show you one more thing. We have prepared application in classic version. So how we can see in lightning version? So for that just click on lightning, and here click on setup. and this is in lightning, this is global search, and quick find bar here will be getting it in left side. Yes, we are getting it. And quick find bar, go and click on applications. See here, you can click on app manager. Still it's spinning. Once you click on app manager, in this area we'll be getting all the apps which we have created. And see here, 9 tech solution just now we prepared, and here application type it is showing only classic. So and coming this icon, click on it. Yes, and here upgrade. Yes, you can see here 9 tech solution lightning. Click on upgrade, then same application will be created in lightning, and only this time you can create in lightning. And whenever you are creating in classic any application, sorry, any object, a field, etc., etc., then it shows in lightning as well. So now click on this 9 dot symbol, click on view all, and scroll down. You can see all the applications here. In classic we'll be getting right side of the application, and in lightning you can click on 9 dot symbol and just scroll down. Here you can see 9 tech solution lightning. Click on it, and you can see only home object in 9 tech solutions. Same thing is available in classic. So now we'll see how to create object in Salesforce. So we'll see both the methods in classic and lightning. So first we'll see in classic. Yes, here for just now as we discussed, if you want to create anything, first thing, what is the first step? We need to click on setup. Setup, and again left side, don't touch administer, and build. Just now when as I said, if you want to create anything you need not to touch administer, because this is only for managing use managing everything in Salesforce. So now we are going to create object. So click on create, and see here apps we have completed, and click on objects now. Just click on object, and now we are going to create which object? Custom object, because whatever we are creating by ourselves, we'll call it as custom object. So now these are the things, all the objects we have created. not created by Salesforce. All these objects created by ourselves based on client request. So now for 9 tech solutions client requirement, we are going to create new object. So click on new custom object and see here we can get label and plural label. Label says nothing but custom object name which you are going to give as per client requirement. Now we can give one object name as employees name list. Okay, and next description we can give it as for employees names. Done, and come down. Context sensitive help setting. I'll tell you this one later. And here it is. Record name. Record name in the sense once we created any object, first record, I mean first field will be automatically created by the Salesforce, and that we can call as record. And record name, whatever we are giving here, same thing it will be displayed. So here we can give as employee ID will give, because employees names will start with ID, right? So we'll give as employees ID. So employee ID we can create as a text or data number also, auto number also we can give. Auto number in the sense once any employee join in the organization we'll be giving numbers, right? 1 2 3 like that. We can give numbers auto number, or else we can manually enter. So I'll just show you how auto number will work. If you give auto number, whatever they are giving the example, same thing only we need to mention here, like this. If you give a hyphen open bracket 0001 close bracket, same thing will come into the object like auto number. So as of now I'm not giving this one, I'm giving as text. And optional features, all these things if you click on allow reports, whenever if you want to prepare reports for this text, I mean for this object, if you click icon here, then only we can create the reports for this particular object. That is our future topic. Currently I'm not giving this one. Come down, object classification, I'll tell you why it is. And deployment status, it is deployed I'm giving. And set status not required. Object creation options, see here, if you click on next option like launch new custom tab wizard after saving this custom, if you click on this option, automatically once object created, here you can see beside home this object name. Let me click on save. Okay, this is not taking employees list name. We'll give as employee name. Employee list will give. Hmm, this name is not in, guys. Can I have any name? Can you please suggest what kind of name we can give here to show the employee details in the organization? Can we have any name? I need your suggestions, guys.
Sir, write as employee data.
I'm sorry.
Employee data.
Yeah, okay. Okay, employee information will put it. No, it's not taking. Employee information is not taking because I have prepared many objects in the name of employee. Okay,
So, try as workers data.
workers data. Okay, nine tech workers. Review all error messages below. Correct your data. Invert substitute variable data. Name display format. Okay, let me check one name because as of just now I show you right. I have many tabs and many fields. Work on name of workers. I gave many tabs. Maybe that is the reason it's not taking. Let me see, guys. Let me try this. Hmm. Student name, student first name, student roll number. I gave many like this. That's the reason it's not taking it. Can you guys please
Sir,
suggest me?
employee data.
Employee that also I tried. It's not coming. See here, example. It's showing account. Here it should come accounts, and it's also will take automatically will take it. We need not to mention anything. But wait a minute. I'll give cancel and I'll do one more thing. Yes, now it's created. I gave employee information and tab style in the sense we can give any kind of tabs here. So I can give it as okay. As of now, I'm giving something here, not required anything. And click on next and click on next. These all are profiles information. I'll tell you what is profile and role, etc. etc. As of now, you can think profile in the sense is just like one department. That's it. We are just informing to them this object belongs to only few departments, etc. etc. like that we can create. But I have added all the profiles in this arc in this application and for this object as well. That's it. Now here you can see employee information. So if you click on this, no records has been created, but if you click on new, see employee ID will come. While we are creating object, there was a information, right? Record name, how it should be record name. So employee ID we give. In case if we give auto number in that, employee ID will be automatically created. So whenever you are clicking on new, employee ID will not be displayed. When you created record, employee ID automatically will be created. So now what we have done, we have created application, we have created object in the sense, coming to in a normal language, this attendance line we have created. And now fields we need to create, like what is serial number, what is the name of employee, what is the name of teacher, etc. I mean, coming to this application employee information in the sense, what are the information we can give. Can I have the information, guys, please? So while coming to employee information, what are the information we'll be getting it? Employee ID, employee name, employee date of birth, employee experience, employee expected salary, etc. etc. Employee address, mobile number, etc. etc. Right? So this kind of information, how we can add it in this. So for them, we'll call them as field creations. That one we'll check in tomorrow class. So as of now, any doubts, guys? So we know how to create this school name, I mean application, and SSC attendance is considered as an object. We have created object and the field we need to create. In tomorrow class, we'll see how to create field. Okay, guys, any doubts as of now?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah, thank you, guys. Tomorrow, at same time, 7 o'clock, you can log in, and in WhatsApp group, please share your email IDs so that I can share this video links to you people.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you so much.